Spike Boomer, my little cowboy pup. Sunlight spills on the green grass, where a little shadow runs so fast. His coat's like honey, eyes so bright. Spike Boomer, you're my morning light, with a wiggle in his step and a heart so true. He'll chase a butterfly or a dream or two. That cowboy hat sits proud on his head, loyal friend till the very end. Oh, Spike Boomer, my little Dachshund dear, you're the rhythm of my heart, the joy I hold near. In your playful eyes I see the world so kind, running free like a cowboy in a wind. You're my sunshine, my faithful ride, through every season by my side. Evening comes, the stars align. He curls up close, his tail a sign of love so pure it needs no word, just a nuzzle soft and a gentle twirl. That cowboy cape, it sways so light as he prances round in the moonlight, with every bark a story told of adventures bold and love untold. When the world gets loud and days feel long, he's the calm in the storm, the sweetest song. His little paws, they dance on grass, cowboy spirit in a Dachshund's class. How he shines like a diamond bright, in my world he's the guiding light. Oh, Spike Boomer, my little Dachshund dear, you're the rhythm of my heart, the joy I I see the world so kind, running free like a cowboy in the wind. You're my moonshine, my faithful ride, through every season by my side. Sunrise breaks, the grass is green, there he is, my cowboy queen, with a wag and a wink, he's ready to play. Spike Boomer, forever my love.